Welcome back. So today we have something a little bit different, and I'm going to give credit where credit is due. Dana Tools has gotten the leaked spring Black Friday sale at Harbor Freight, and he teased it in his video today, and he's going to do a video tomorrow. On my end, I went looking for the Black Friday ad, and I couldn't find it. The spring Black Friday ad. So what I did do is do some extra research. So we're just going to kind of go over this. This is going to kind of be a sneak peek of the leak. I don't have prices, but I do have some of the items that look like they're going to be on the spring Black Friday sale, there's some pretty decent items. So first, we'll just look at what Dana Tools teased. So it'd be spring Black Friday, Monday, April 7th to Thursday, April 10th, of course, for ITC early access, kind of like this last parking lot sale. And then everyone saves from April 11th to April 14th, including that Monday. This is showing in-store and online. And we'll just go over the few that are here. 800 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic slim bar work light, 40% off, huge discount. Icon, different colors, $23.99. The 18-inch magnetic tool holder, that's pretty huge discount for $1.94 for almost $2, 61% off. So these are already pretty decent yellow ribbon advertisements. The 7mm nitrile powder-free gloves, 50-pack, 50% off for $6.98. We just had 50% off all Hardy gloves. Fully polished combination wrench set, 14-piece, 20% off, $19.99. Anti-fatigue foam mats, which are hugely underrated. If you're doing a lot of work in your garage, you need some anti-fatigue mats. They'll make your puppies stop barking if your dogs are barking all day for being on your feet. So $7.96. I mean, $9.99 is pretty good for some anti-fatigue mats. These are invaluable. And the 400-pound capacity, 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie-down 4-packs. I've seen these a couple times, but 54% off. Pretty good deal, $5.96. So far, what they're proposing, and these always do change, but they're proposing the US General 56-inch by 22-inch roll cab, $100 off, $799.99. Not so great. These have been on sale, I want to say, at a deeper discount than that more recently. So, okay, if you really need it and you didn't take advantage of those sales, $100 off is okay. Avanti airless paint, primer, and stain sprayer, $60 off for $189.99. And then the Predator gas-powered earth auger for $50 off, which is pretty good. $169.99. And then this 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start and co-secure technology, $310 off for $789.99. Now to the research that I did. And so I scoured the webs, and this is what I was able to find. So it looks like Harbor Freight hasn't leaked the sale, but they have some type of leak on the sale. And so you'll notice here, huge sale spring Black Friday. And this is just on their website. This is just on their website. So it shows 30 items. Some of the items match that were on the part of the flyer that Dana Tools was teasing at, but we're going to go through these and see if there's any really good ones. Now, of course, these are all going to be listed at retail price, and the deals will be on the flyers, but at least we can see what's going to get discounted. So, of course, here are the US General 56-inch by 22-inch roll cabs. They do have this US General 42-inch by 22-inch roll cab, Series 3, so that's pretty cool. This Predator 6.5 horsepower chipper shredder for $579.99. Okay, this one, the Daytona 3-ton low-profile Super Duty floor jack with rapid pump, $289.99. This is the godfather of all jacks. And look at this in this metallic purple. You can get it in any of these 4 colors: red, orange, yellow, or purple. $289.99. For $289.99, it's a great deal. You don't have to get a discount on this. It's a great deal for the quality of the jack compared, of course, to the Snap-on, which is over $1,000. But let's look at the price history. So the retail price hasn't changed. It's been $289. That hasn't changed since it's come out, September 2023. But there has been a variety of sales. And you can see, was it Black Friday roughly? It was down to $189, at least for this purple one. This is the lowest it's gone. Will they go down for the spring Black Friday price down to that level? Maybe. If not, you can at least expect it to go down to about $240 is what Hazard Fraud is showing. So $240. Hopefully that's the deal. It looks like the worst deal that they had was at $260, which is still decent. Definitely better than the retail price. So that's an exciting one to hopefully see on the spring Black Friday sale. And we'll look at this. Here's the Avanti airless paint primer and stain sprayer. That matches what was on the tease. Here's the gas-powered auger. This Predator 6.5 horsepower horizontal shaft gas engine for $149.99. this titanium easy flux 125 amp welder, which is currently listed also at $149.99. We have the Earthquake XT half-inch composite air impact wrench twin hammer for $129.99. The Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder, $119.99. This Yukon 48 workbench with light, $119.99. This Bauer 9 amp surface conditioning tool, $119.97. So some of these are looking very familiar, very similar to some of the spring coupon sales. The Icon chair, which is currently listed at $114. I have this chair in black. I think I paid like $90 for it, but it goes on sale a lot cheaper. This Portland 1750 PSI, 1.3 gallons per minute corded electric pressure washer, $89.99. The 6-ton Daytona floor jacks. I believe those had a super coupon or an ITC deal recently. It might have just ended. Those regular price are $79.99. This Avanti handheld HVLP paint and stain spray, which goes on sale every other week, it seems, $69.99. The Pittsburgh 6,500 pound capacity portable ramp set, 2-piece. The Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands, $50. The orange and purple are brand new. Let's see what other colors are new. These are nice. Maybe these were just on sale for $27. So hopefully they'll go on sale for $25. I think I've seen them go down to. The Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case, large. The Braun 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable LED hanging shop light. A bunch of Hardy gloves, which I won't even get into because those were 50% off recently, and that's just kind of a punch in the gut. These Pittsburgh Drive Hex socket set, and looks like batteries, which are classic. Haven't seen batteries go on sale in a little bit. And some more gloves. So this is clearly not a full list. I'm going to try to check back in, see if they're updating this list. Maybe Harbor Freight's going to wisen up a little bit. But these are the 30 items. Looks like some of the heavy hitters, especially this Daytona 3-ton profile Super Duty floor jack with rapid pump. Maybe this is last year's. I don't think it is, though, because the US General 56-inch matched. The paint, primer, and stain sprayer matched. The Predator Gas Earth Auger matched. And so we'll see. It's still a month out. The sales do change often, but I'll keep an eye out. Let me know if you're already thinking about the spring Black Friday sale coming in April. Or is this just too much to think about too far out? You know there's going to be deals coming up, new dollar days coming up, a new weekend deal for sure. But I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Maybe this whole list is going to change. I don't know. I'll keep looking out for the flyer. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.